Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today's unboxing is a Hornby Greater Anglia Class 153. It is R3214, so Greater Anglia Class 153 DMU, running number 153309, and it is a DCC ready model as well. So I'll pop her out of the box and we'll take a closer look. And here we have it. Not much I've been able to find in Greater Anglia, as in, I think this might be the only one. Obviously got some older Anglia Railways rolling stock, but as I hail from Essex myself, it is nice to find some stuff which would have run in that area. And for me, this has got detail enough on it. You've got all the rivet indentations on the side and other little bits of detail on there, and you have got seating inside as well. It has got couplers in a separate detail pack, but nothing else in there with it, but still plenty enough under frame detail for me. And obviously, as in a lot of models, roofs are fairly basic on the actual trains anyway, so nothing extra special there, but it isn't completely plain. So we'll see how that runs on the test layout. So here we have the Greater Anglia. As I say, I've not really been able to find anything much else Greater Anglia available, but there are the new Hornby Flirt ones due out any time now. I don't think they've made them out as I'm recording this, but I will be keeping my eye out for them. And possibly, apart from being a lot newer than some of my other things, it's also Hornby, so it's not quite as slow and rattly for being second hand as some of the lemurs, and a lot more smoother and a lot more sprightly. I'll have to check to see if this is running right or not, because it does have directional light in one end, so I need to check out. It could just be a loose wire or something the other end why those lights aren't working, but I'll show you the working lights in a second. As with a lot of, certainly my Intercity 125 collection, a lot of them are so old they do really need a good service and a going over, which is one reason I'm building up collecting them now whilst I can get them, and spend the time a bit later in life making sure they all run nice. Something from my retirement, if I ever make it. But we'll have a little closer look at these. So we'll get those front lights on. And then it's our red ones. But as I say, nothing's happening the other end, so I'll have to check. I'm sure that should have lights both ends, so it might just be there's a loose wire in there. Nope, obviously we don't want to focus. But I say I'm quite happy with that. Again, considering I've got a lot of network southeast coaching stock and all the Mark IIIs for the 125s, it's something different to have on the layout and a different livery. And again, thank you for watching. Hope you'll check out more on the channel. See you soon.